you for calling Bayfront Hotel. This is General Isik. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a room next weekend.
May I have your name, please?
Of course, it's Janly Baroy.
Thank you, Miss Baray. May I ask what date will you be staying with us?
I'll be arriving on Friday, May 2, and checking out on Sunday, May 4.
How many guests will be staying in a room?
Just me.
Can I get your email address to complete the booking?
Sure, baroy@gmail.com.
Can I get also your contact number, ma'am?
0935-204-9013.
What payment you prefer, ma'am?
Debit card.
Perfect. Let me quickly review your booking. Name Jelly Baroy, check-in Friday, May 2. Check out May 4, Sunday. Your contact number is 0935-204-9031. For your payment is debit card. Am I right?
Yes.
Is there anything else I can do for you, ma'am?
No.
You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you for choosing Bayfront Hotel. Have a nice day. Good afternoon. Welcome to Bayfront Hotel. This is General Isik. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for a room with ocean view.
Certainly. May I know your check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be checking on September 10th and checking out on September 13th.
Great. We have deluxe ocean view room available. The rate is 3,500 per night, including breakfast and taxes. Would you like to serve it?
Yes, that sounds good.
Wonderful. Will this be for single or double occupancy?
Single occupancy.
Noted. The total for your 3 nights will be 10,500. May I ask how you like to pay, credit card, debit card, or bank transfer?
I'll use credit card.
Perfect. May I have your full name to complete reservation?
My name is Trixie Calonsan.
Okay, Miss Kalunsan, let me repeat your booking information. Your full name is Trixie Kalunsag. Check-in date September 10. Check-out date September 13. Number of night 3 days. Room type deluxe ocean view. Number of guests 1. Bed preference king bed. For the payment, room rate 3,500 per night and total cost is 10,500 pesos. And the payment method is credit card. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Kalonsag. Your reservation is confirmed for a deluxe ocean view and view room for September 10 to 13. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. We look forward to welcoming you.